here comes the winner's bracket with semifinals here with an anticipated clash to faces by 16 years old international master Alice Lee fighting by woman grandmaster Zoe Tang in USA. So it means if you win with winner's bracket in semifinals, proceed with grand finals. If you lost, will knock down against with loser's bracket here. So in this semifinals with winners bracket, what do you think about the sacrifice excelente with also with young kid here with girls here? So what do you think about the studies of these games with American Cup 2026? So let's start of this here. White pieces with International Master Alice Lee in USA versus black pieces in WGM Zoe Tang in USA. So two games analyzed here. So it means if you win within semifinals with winners bracket, proceed of this grand finals with winners bracket. If you lost of the semifinals, would knock down against losers bracket here within quarterfinals here. So in this part of these videos here, so it means 1 hour and 30 minutes plus 30 seconds within winners bracket here. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after semifinals with the American Cup 2026. So white plays Lee is knight f3, d5 by Tang, g3, knight f6, so it means Yugoslav variation here with Tang, bishop g2 with Lee by preparing next castling kingside here, pawn to c5 by Tang, castle kingside with Lee, and also pawn e6 with Tang, pawn to d4, exchange by captured, knight takes captured, and also e5, and also knight go back f3, knight c6 with Tang, and also c4 with sacrifice here. So it is called by this one with openings with Indians game knights variations here, and also push to d4 here. So it means, for example, so it means why don't we captured here, d takes c4 here, with openings with challenge with queen to queen here, with continues with white pieces, queen captured accepted, with check, king captured with queens, rook d1 with check, and bishop to d7. So this is a explanation with examples here. So it means, back there this one with Zoe Tang with pushes by strong by d4 here, with Lee is pawn to e3 without pressures by attacks the pawns, bishop e7 with Tang by next playing castling kingside here by preparing from castle kingside, captured with pawns with Lee, takes with Tang, and also b4. So this is a new move with Lee of these positional games. So this is the old main lines here with database. Bishop f4 is a old main lines here. So it means second is new move by b4 novelty with Lee, with knight takes captured with sacrifice, takes with Lee, castling kingside with Tang, and also pawn to a3 by pressures with Lee, with plannings with attacks with tempos attacks with knights here, with more controls with avoided with Tang is knight to a6 here avoided here, knight c3 with Lee, knight c5 with positional games here with the formals without knights with formals with normal, bishop e3 more controls with defense of this knight, and also bishop g4 with Tang without idea with threats the queens here, or maybe without bishop with threats the queen. So it means this is a accident my tab my mouse here. So it means without bishop without threats the queens, and also ignorance by queen c2 with Lee, queen c8 with Tang, rook fc1. So it means queens behind the rook with closers here, rook d8 with Tang here, more pressures of this one with rook d files, and also knight to d5 with Lee without idea with tempos attacks the knights and bishop here. So this is a controls with positional moves. Knight takes captured Tang, takes with Lee, queen d7. So this is a blunderacious with Zoe Tang with WGM here. So the best move this one is more controls is bishop to f8 here. So this is a bishop f8. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So it means, so this is a more of this one with positional moves. So this is a very correctional by formal within normals with moves here. So without blunderacious queen d7, so after her move, so the next first puzzle, what do you think about the sacrifice excelente with 16 years old international master Alice Lee with USA? So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Sacrifice knight c6, good move, excelente. Sacrifice with Lee without attacks the rook. Without idea with threatening the rooks. With Zoe Tang captured with sacrifice, one piece down with Lee. Takes with Lee without attacks the queens. Queen c7. And also bishop captured, good move. Without idea with diagonals with dark square with fianchettos attacks the bishop here. And with Tang is bishop g5, more controls with avoided here. So I will explain, for example, in accept. Why don't we bishop captured with bishop to bishop? Queen takes captured bishop here. So it means if you rook ab8 here, and also rook ab1 with challenge with rook to rook here. So it means rook to rook. And move side by rook to b6 here. So if you rook captured accepted, takes with rook, and also with queen to b4. So according this one, so this is a good explanations for examples here. So back there is avoided here. So it means with that avoided bishop g5, avoided with ignorance with WGM Zoe Tang here. Without bishop g5, without attacks the rook. Without idea with threatening the rooks here. And Lee is rook e1 here by more positional with avoided, and also pawn g6 here. Without idea with more of this proactive king to g7 here. And with Lee is bishop go back e3 without attacks with controls with positional with diagonals with challenge with bishop to bishop. In accept by this one with Tang, bishop takes, rook takes, or maybe without idea with Lee upcoming by battery here. And without rook d6 with Tang, without idea by next battery. So it means without next battery with rook struts the pawns without attacks the queens here. And with move of this one with I am Lee is queen to c5. So it means queen c5 here. Battery, rook a d8 with Tang, and also pawn to h3. So this is a controls with attacks, with tempos attacks the bishop, and without backwards bishop to e6 with Tang, rook d1 with Lee. Or maybe without plannings here, we next by this one with rook to b7, without tempos attacks the queen. So this is a very strong move here by white positional. And with bishop d5, oh, what a good precise here with Tang. With that idea, first rook with threats the pawns here, or maybe bishop with threats the pawns here. So it means without bishop with that light square with diagonals with attacks with challenge with bishop to bishop here. And without accepted with Lee is bishop captured, good move. Rook takes without threatening the queens, and rook e8 check. So this is a sacrifice here. So sacrifice move here. So it means sacrifice. So it means if you rook captured takes accepted and queen captured rook here. So this is a next of this one with formal of this one with strong sacrifice here. So this is a white of this one with evaluation bar. So it means below with black pieces here. So in accept with Tang, rook takes accepted, queen takes rook. So this is a rook to rook here. And also rook d8 without disturbance the queens, and queen c4, queen to e5. So this is a good precise here with Tang here. And also with rook to b7. Or maybe with rook b7 with first the queens here, with the idea with threats the pawns with check. because this is a more of the strong move with rooks here. And with defense of queen f5 with tang here, and also c7, so very strong move with Lee. So without idea, with captured with rook, with promoted the queens here. So this is a very strong move here with Alice Lee. Rook to c8, so this is a more of this blocking here, so no more by promotes. Rook b8, what a good, very excellent with Lee here. So it means, so if you rook captured here, so it means this is a continue promotes here with check. So this is a very dangerous by blocks here. And with queen takes captured pawns here, and also last shot queen a6 without idea, very strong move here without idea, with promoted the queen, so it means resigns with WGM Zoe Tang. So why she resigns? For example, if you rook captured accepted, only move with Tang, with promoted with queens with check here, and also with queen to c8. So this is a blocking here. So if your queen takes captured here, so this is a double queens here with check. So with a check here, and also king to g7, and also queen f8 check. So it means if you king f6, and also queen to f4 with check. After with king to e6 here, and also queen 8d6 mating net here. So this is a game over with blocks here. So the score with Alice Lee 97.7 and the Zoe Tang score 88 points. So next up this one with game number 2 with semifinals with winners bracket. So next proceed of this next game 2. Next game 2 here. So white pieces with WGM Zoe Tang and versus black pieces Alice Lee International Master in USA here. So in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after semifinals game number 2. So if you win, we then proceed with grand finals here, and if you lost of the semifinals, we would knock down against losers bracket here. So d4 with Tang, knight f6 by Lee, c4, e6, East Indian, and also knight f3, pawn to d5, knight c3, capture this pawn. So this is a queen's gambit accepted here. And also pawn to e4 by next of this one with pawn to e5 without threatening the knights here. And also with bishop to b4. So this is a more controls here with pins, with knights, with kings, with check here. And also with bishop captured pawns here. So this is it is called by this one with openings queen's gambit decline, 3 knights, Vienna variation. So it is without Vienna here. Without upcoming by this one by next castling king side here. And also with more controls with Lee is knight captured. So this is a very strong move here. So cannot capture with knight takes captured. So this is a targets with bishop with check here. And with castle king side with Tang, knight go back f6 with Lee, and also queen a4 check, knight c6 good move with Lee, and also knight e5 very strong move with Zoe Tang here with that idea with threatening the knights here with queens with pins with check. So this is a more controls with attacks. And also pawn to a5 with Lee, knight takes captured with Tang, takes with Lee, and also queen takes c6 check with Zoe Tang, and bishop to d7 good move without attacks the queens. Go back with Zoe Tang, queen f3, castling king side with Lee here. And also bishop to g5 with Zoe Tang without more controls with strong, because the bishop to g5 with pins with knights and more with queens here with attacks the more of this pinning. And also rook b8 with Lee, rook ad1 with Zoe Tang, and also pawn to h6 with a threatening with disturbance the bishop. Go back bishop h4 with Zoe, rook b6. So this is a new move with positional with Lee. So this is the all main lines here within database. Bishop captured knight is a all main lines here. So it means, so rook to b6 novelty with black pieces with Lee here, and also pawn to d5, push to e5 good move. So it means without good move here. And also queen to e3 with Zoe Tang here, and also bishop to d6 here with Alice Lee, and another excelente. So not excelente here. So it means later. So bishop d6, knight to e4 with Zoe Tang, or maybe with that idea with threats the knights, and with bishop here. So it means, so without bishop, without pins, with kings, queens here. And another excelente with Lee is, wait, so this is a positional moves. This is a tab here. And also the next, another excelente with good move is knight to g4 here. Ignorance. So I'll explain, for example, so it means do not capture, knight takes captured because blunder ratio. So look at evaluation bar. So this is a below blunder ratios, and bishop captured with queen, loose with blacks here. Looks loose with blacks, rook captured bishop. So this is a wins for whites here. So it means, so back there, this one with Alice is queen, I mean knight g4, sorry. So I'm sorry, got wrong note. So it means knight g4 with good move. So it means with first knight captured with threats the queens, and next bishop threatening the queens here. So it means because this is a challenge with queen to queen. And with also by continue with captured with Zoe Tang is bishop captured queen, and Alice is knight takes queen. So this is a positional. So because the knight takes e3, so it means double. So this is a positional doubles here. So this is a more controls here. Without bishop captured with Zoe Tang here, bishop takes captured good move. So this is a more of this one with formal of this nice of these chess games here. And also rook takes b2 here with captured very strong move with Alice Lee here. Or maybe without idea with next by this one with rook captured here. So rook captured pawn sacrifice here. So I don't know what's the examples here. So it means rook captured here with sacrifice. So this is a, is that the brilliant or maybe blunder ratios here. And next by this one with Zoe Tang is knight to c5 here. With that idea with knight threats the bishop here. And also bishop g4 without ignorance here with Alice, without bishop, without threats the rooks here. And also knight to d3, good move with Zoe Tang, or maybe without knight threats the rooks with bishop threatening the rooks here. So this is a more of this formats of this one with positional. And also rook to c2, ignorance, so does not like of this computer with Alice Lee here. So the best move this one, go back, rook b8 here. So it means rook b8 is a go back. And next move is rook d2. So this is a more of this one with continuous. So this is a good slightly better for whites and blacks here. So back there, this one is rook c2 with Lee, rook c1 without more challenge rook to rook, and avoided with Lee. So for example, sir, why don't we rook captured? It is okay. Rook takes accepted. And also rook captured, and with bishop to, wait, bishop to d6. So where's bishop d6? Okay, bishop d6. So it means bishop d6 here. So bishop d6, so this is a examples here. Okay, so back there with avoided with Alice, rook d2, and also rook f2. So cannot done within challenge with rook to rook here. So in accept highly, rook takes, knight takes without threats the bishop here. So this is a tempos attacks here. And with bishop f5 here with Alice, bishop d3 with more controls with Zoe Tang with challenge by light square with bishop to bishop. In accept with Lee, bishop takes, rook captured with bishop. So it means why? Because, so it means if you knight captured here, so it means if your knight takes d3 and with bishop here with threats, and so where we move here, and move controls is bishop to here, bishop to b6 here. So it means with move with rook captured with Zoe Tang here, and also bishop b1 with Alice Lee, without bishop with threatening the pawn. So this is a threat of this one with Tempos attack. Pawn to a4 with Zoe Tang, and also rook d8 with Alice, without rook threats the pawns here. So this is a positional move. Rook c5 without defense the pawns with threatening the pawns here. So this is a threat here. Bishop a2. So this is a normal here. So this is a does not accept with computer engine with Zoe Tang. So the best move this one is with rook a8 defense of this pawn. So rook a8 here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks. So it means bishop to a2 with a bishop a2 with threatening the pawns here. And also without excelente here is pawn to e4 here with defense of this pawn with Zoe Tang. And also f5 sacrifice with Lee. So it means so if you continue pawn captured here, so it means if you continue pawn captured, so it means rook captured pawns here, or maybe bishop captured pawn here. So this is a more controls here. And also knight d1 with Zoe Tang. So first we explain, for example, here without tips, if you capture this pawn here with sacrifice, how do you think here? And also rook captured pawn. So challenged by rook to rook. Without rook captured accepted, I'm sorry, so it means rook to c8. So rook c8 check here, and also with king to h7. So this is a good example. So another. So it means if you rook captured accepted, it is okay. Bishop captured rook here. So it means bishop versus knight here. So this is a examples. So it means after this one with knight to d1 here with Zoe Tang. So what the plans, or maybe here next by knight to c3, or maybe with the threatening the bishop here. So this is a next move here. And also capture this pawn with Lee. Oh my god, without captured with more controls with promote with queens here. So this is a promotes. And also knight to c3, good move here, or maybe with that idea with double with pawns and bishop. So this is a double attacks here. And also bishop to b3, ignorance here, and also king to f2, rook to b8. So this is a more positionals with threatening the bishop. So it means so does not like of this computer engine with Lee. So the best move is rook a8 again. What happened? So it means rook a8 is a defense of this pawn here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. So back to this one is rook b8, king to e3 with Zoe Tang. So what her miss here, the best move this one is rook to b5 here. So rook b5. With more of this one with challenge with rook to rook. So if you rook f8 check, and also king to e3. Okay, king e3, and also with kings without threats the pawns. So it means without threats the pawns, or maybe knights here with threatening the pawns here. And also with bishop to c2. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one is king e3 here. So it means brand X move with worst move with Zoe Tang. And excelente with Alice Lee is rook to b4. So this is a very strong move here. Or maybe without bishop with threats the pawns here. So this is a threat because this is a defense of this one with pawns here. And also with knight captured here. Knight takes e4 with Zoe Tang here. Bishop captured pawn, and also rook captured here. So rook captured with Zoe Tang, bishop to c2, or maybe without idea with rooks with threatening the knights here. We threats the knights with check. So this is a protects with bishop and rooks here with tempos attacks, and also with knight to d2 with Zoe Tang here, and also king f7 proc the active move. Rook c5. Okay, rook c5 without more pressures, without attacks the bishop here, and also with bishop to f5 with Lee, knight to c4 with Zoe Tang here, or maybe without idea with threats the pawns here, with the threats the pawns, and with knight to d6 with check. So this is a more controls with check here, and also king to f6 with defense of this pawn, rook c6 check, and also king e7 with Lee, h3 with Zoe Tang, and rook b3 check, king to f2, and also rook to d3 with more pressures with rooks with threatening the pawns here. And also with more controls is d6 with check with Zoe Tang, king to e6, and also d7 with check with openings, king e7 good move, so cannot up promotes with queens here. So this is a more pressures here. And also knight takes e5 with Zoe Tang, rook to d5 attacks the knights, and also rook to c8. So it means, so if you rook captured with knights here, if you rook captured knights, so it means promotes with queens here. So it means lose for blacks, so it means wins for white. So it means with bishop captured d7 without threatening the rooks with Alice Lee, knight takes, and also rook captured d7. So this is a same by 2 pawns, and with 2 pawns here, and rook to rook. So it means, so 49 seconds with Zoe Tang WGM, and 9 minutes plus 43 seconds with Alice Lee, because the white is dying seconds here. Rook g8 without pressures by attacks the pawns here. So this is a threats the pawns here. And also with king f7 defense of this pawn, rook a8, so, or maybe without rook a8. So rook a8 here, rook c7 with next by check here with Alice Lee, so without rook c2 check here, and also pawn to g4, rook c2 check, king g3, rook c3 check, king g2, rook c2, oh king g3, rook c3, oh king g2, rook c2, oh king g3, rook c3 check. That means this is a rap song. Okay, so it means, so draw with game number 2 here. So the score with Zoe Tang 0.5 and score with Alice Lee 1.5. So it means Zoe Tang was lose knockdown against losers bracket here with WGM with quarterfinals. So the winner, International Master Alice Lee, proceed with grand finals with Carissa Yip here. So our next up this one, so later with grand finals here, so it means next up this losers bracket with quarterfinals here. So I will choose up this one with losers bracket with quarterfinals. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logie 17, aka Icon Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and don't forget my notification below by bells in this YouTube accounts, Mark Logie 17. Part 1 with English only, and Mark Logie 17 Part 2, Cebuano and Tagalog. So keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye-bye.